Okay, kindergarten. Math for today is something that seems way too easy. It's about understanding zero. Now, zero seems pretty easy to understand, doesn't it? But we want to make sure that with these simple things, we still work to understand them really, really deeply. Because then when you get to more complicated things, you actually need to understand zero a lot when you get into bigger math. So we're going to work to make sure we've got zero down. This won't be very hard for today, but we're just going to make sure it's really clear in our brain. Go ahead and get pencils, erasers, and your math books. All right, guys, here we are, lesson 1.9, problem solving, understand zero. So here it says we're going to be using the strategy, make a model. Now, when we make a model, we're probably going to be drawing things, so you'll want to be sure to be ready for that. But in addition to drawing, on this one, you're going to use counters. So I forgot to tell you that. Pause real quick, grab them if you need to. Maybe you just have them real handy like I did. So here it says there are 2 horses in this pen. Do you see how it looks kind of like a barn? So go ahead and get counters, put out 2 horses. Now, here's the pen. They didn't put a gate in here. Pretend there's a gate somewhere because these horses are going to go out of the pen and into the field. There they go. And now the question is, how many horses are in here? Well, of course, 0 horses are in here. Go ahead and trace 0. Okay, guys, now do you see these hooks? We're pretending those are like hooks in a classroom. So you're going to use counters now and we're pretending the counters are backpacks. So go ahead and put a backpack for each hook and then draw them. So you're going to trace around them and then go ahead and color them also. There they are. And then here we're going to write this number. You know what number needs to go there. Go ahead and write it down. Now, we're going to go down to number 2 here in this sunshine. And again, we've got 3 hooks and 3 backpacks. Now, here's the thing. There are 3 children who are going to go home. So they're each going to take a backpack. 1, 2, 3 backpacks. And now how many backpacks are left? We have no counters to trace, no backpacks. So you're going to write the number that represents how many backpacks. All right, boys and girls, on this number 3 here with the leaf, we have 2 boys at a school. One is named Drew, and one is named Adam. Now, Drew has 1 book. It doesn't tell us exactly how many books Adam has, but it does give us a clue. It says Adam has 1 less book, 1 fewer book than Drew has. So if Drew has 1 and Adam has 1 fewer, how many books does Adam have? Figure that out and write the number right here. Now, boys and girls, down here, we're talking about 2 more boys at a school. And these boys are Bradley and Matt. There's Bradley, there's Matt. Now it says Bradley has no pencils. It's very sad for Bradley, no pencils at all. Matt has 1 more pencil than Bradley has. So if Bradley has none and Matt has 1 more, how many does Matt have? Go ahead and write that number right there. Then turn the page. And over here, you can see my Sharpie went through a little bit. That's why I try not to use it very much. But up here, we have a girl named Vera. Here's Vera. Now, Vera has 2 cookies. I'm going to put out 2 counters to show her 2 cookies. Vera eats 1 cookie. And then Vera also has a friend here. And Vera gives one cookie to her friend. And how many cookies now are left? Go ahead and write that number right down here. Now, this one is a little bit of a tricky one. This one is about a girl named Amy. Here's Amy. Amy has 3 crayons. Here's the mystery. Amy gives away some crayons, but we don't know how many she gave away. All we know is at the end, she had none left. So see if you can figure that out. If she started out with 3 and then she ended up with none, how many did she give away? Figure out that number. Write it down here in the spot. And boys and girls, you know what to do by now. Take a picture of that last page. Vera with her cookies, Amy with her crayons, and send me a picture of the 4th page so that I know you're understanding what to do here. I will see you with more math tomorrow. Bye-bye.